Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's time for another episode of Miner Mods, and today we're going to be doing a little bit of a miner mod on my TwoSun, my first and only so far TwoSun purchase. This thing is absolutely awesome looking. If you missed that video, I will link it right up here. But me and the internet, and I said even Niece Knives, we all had this same complaint, and it's this pocket clip is so stout where it comes down right here. You cannot bend or move this thing well enough to get it into your pocket. So what I'm going to do today is actually try to take my Work Sharp sharpener and sand a little bit off the bottom of this clip to make it a little bit easier to get in and out of the pocket, because I really do struggle to put it in my pocket and I want to be able to carry it more. Honestly, if there was a fixed blade version of this just as is, I would carry that as well, because this thing is just absolutely phenomenal. Shape, size, weight, balance, everything about this is wonderful. So let's take this pocket clip off and see what kind of damage we can do today. All right, so it is a T8, so I'm going to take my Kai T8 driver and see if I can break that. There we go. All right, set that off to the side there. And I'm just going to take my Work Sharp and just very gently focus, sand away some of this little nub here, to see if it will go in and out of the pocket focus easier. So I've got that set up right here. Get some safety glasses on. So this is just going to be kind of trial and error. I guess I shouldn't talk when I push the button. This is going to be kind of trial and error. I'm going to put it back on, see how it fits and feels. If I need to do it some more, I'm going to do it some more. So we're just going to take a little bit off the top, a little bit off at a time, English, and because I don't want to overdo it. Back in there. Not much change. Still can't really see any light between it, but let me do a pocket test here. Nope. Still can't get it to slip over the pants, or the pocket rather. So let's do a little bit more. Just in case you're curious, yes, that is getting pretty warm on that end. Okay, that did go in the pocket. It still took a little bit of effort, and actually it came out much better. Okay, so I think we're on the right track here. You know, a smart person would have showed you how difficult it was to get in and out of my pocket before I started this video. We are very, very close. All right. And I think I need to work on this part right here. I mean, this is basically a perfect knife. There's nothing I want to do to it to change it other than, boy, that's hot, other than that clip. Yeah, okay. So, I don't know if you'll be able to see, oh, right there. You can finally see a little bit of daylight between the clip and the knife. That gives us just enough clearance, because this titanium pocket clip does not bend. It does not give at all. So at least now those two aren't touching, so you can get the clip around your jeans, your slacks, your shorts, or whatever it is you're wearing. Awesome. So this is one of the 3 knives that I'm carrying today. So quick little pocket check here. We have TwoSun. We have the Emerson CQC11K. Oh, helps if I put them in the picture, doesn't it? Sorry about that. And then fifth pocket, or coin pocket, whatever you want to call it, I have my marbles ram horn. There we go. That looks pretty good. And I've also got my Forrest Hank's Skull and Roses Hank. And of course, the Knox Knife Mod poker chip. Focus there we go. So yeah, that's what I've got on me today. And I just wanted to work on this, and that makes me so much happier that I can see daylight right there and get it in and out of my pocket a lot easier. Man, that thing, it takes some force to get this thing to open. It's not a flipper. It is a pusher. You have to push it. You all pretty much know what that means. So it's so much fun. Anyway, thanks for stopping by, checking out this little miner mod. We do these from time to time, in amongst all the other random things that we do. So thanks for stopping by. Like and subscribe if you already haven't. And until then, I'm Wolfman Walsh, and we'll catch you next time. Take care.